Hello friends. Imagine you are planning an exciting train journey. You book your ticket, check the booking status, and suddenly you see the letters WL. You may wonder, does this mean I can't travel? Don't worry. Today, let's understand waiting list tickets in a very simple way. When all the seats on a train are already booked, Indian Railways starts giving waiting list tickets. This means you don't have a confirmed seat yet. But your journey isn't over. If some passengers cancel their tickets, your waiting number moves forward, and your ticket may become confirmed. Now let's learn about the different types of waiting lists. The first one is General Waiting List, or GNWL. This is the most common type. It is usually given when you book from the train starting station or a major station. Among all waiting lists, GNWL usually has the best chance of confirmation. Next is Remote Location Waiting List, or RLWL. This is for some stations between the starting and ending stations. The confirmation chance is usually lower than GNWL. Another type is Pooled Quota Waiting List, or PQWL. In this system, several stations share the same seat quota. Your confirmation depends on cancellations within that quota. Then there is Request Waiting List, or RQWL. This is issued when the normal booking quota is not available. It usually has a lower chance of confirmation. Finally, there is Tatkal Waiting List, or TQWL. This appears when Tatkal tickets are fully booked. A TQWL ticket can be confirmed only if Tatkal passengers cancel their tickets. Now you may ask, how good are my confirmation chances? If your ticket shows WL1 to WL10, the chance of confirmation is usually good, depending on the train, route, and travel season. If your ticket shows WL11 to WL30, it may still get confirmed if enough passengers cancel their tickets. If your waiting number is above WL30, the confirmation chance is usually lower, especially during holidays, festivals, and busy travel seasons. Remember, confirmation is never guaranteed. It always depends on ticket cancellations and seat availability. You can check your PNR status regularly to see whether your ticket is still on the waiting list, has moved to RAC, or has become confirmed. One more important point. If your e-ticket is still on the waiting list after chart preparation, it is automatically cancelled, and the fare refund process starts according to railway rules. So, don't panic if you see a waiting list ticket. Many tickets become confirmed before the journey. Just keep checking your ticket status and hope for the best. Please subscribe for more useful videos.